Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use yellow color and now we draw the letter of A. Kids, now we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Now we draw the letter of D. D for doll, D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. Now we use red color. Now we use red color and draw the letter of E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. Now we draw H. H for hand. Now we draw numbers. First we use green color and draw the number of 1. Kids, now we use green color and draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. We again use green color. Now we draw the number of 2. TWO, 2. The next one is 3. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. We again use green color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.